Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Toyota RAV4. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Toyota has less than 169,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.